Hello friends, warm welcome to our channel Experts Prime Team. Friends, we are providing you each and every match full analysis video. So please subscribe the channel and press bell icon so that you do not miss an instant notification each time. You can see we are providing each and every game video to you. Cricket, football, basketball, each and every match we are providing you. If you'd have seen our first Lanka Premier League video, you would have easily won the Grand League. So we are doing a lot of hard work, lot of research, full strategy is being provided to you. So please subscribe this channel and share to as much people as you can, so that we also get an energy and do much more hard work. So I will discuss today second Lanka Premier League match. Before that, I want to tell you about one app that is called Experts Prime Team app. This is a very, you should install this app. I'm telling you, you will love this app. In this app, you have been provided with each and every game, Grand League plus small league teams. You can see timer is being fixed. What is this timer? This timer is that before half an hour of the match starts, you will get Grand League and small league team. Just sit and relax, come back, you will be getting Grand League and small team over here. Or you can also join our Telegram channel through here also, through our app, or through description link. There also you are provided with instant timely notification of each and everything. Let's start the match. No, before that I want to show you like how team is being provided. Let's see. We have given you each and everything full, why we are dropping a player, why we are not taking him, his record. You can use your mind also. You easily can win. This is, we have provided 4 5 6 Grand League teams, so you can easily win. And we have provided also small league teams, so with all permutation and combination, so you can make easily a very good Grand League teams with your brain also. We are providing videos, so we are doing a lot of hard work. Now let's start the match. GS versus GG, sorry, JS versus GG. This match I will tell you about each and every player. Let's start with the wicketkeeper of section. There is Chadwick Walton from West Indies. If he plays, he can play as an opener also, but here he is expected to play in middle order. He has been good in CPL, and also, no, he was very ordinary in CPL. He was very out of form, but he was good in PSL. You can take him in one of the Grand League. Not, I will not say. Then A Khan, he's a young sensation, young player, but he's not expected to play. M Bhanuka, he's a must-have player from the wicketkeeper section. I will say he's a very consistent domestic performer. Also keep for the side. Timos, he's from England. If he plays, he's play in the top order. He's a very attacking player, can easily score the quick runs. If he plays, must have try him as a captain in Grand League. Then going with the batting section, we have A Fernando. You can take him his you can see his past 5 matches: 366, 44, 21, 19. So Shoaib Malik, must have player, will love these pitches. Very experienced player from Pakistan. Hazrat Jajai, he's a hit or miss type, but can score good runs these grounds. At these grounds are supporting batting hitters at the present, so he can score easily good runs. Has scored a 160 on 170 in T20. Then there is Johnson Charles, who will open. He's from West Indies and can also keep a very hard hitting batsman. There is B Rajpaksha. You know him, B Rajpaksha. He has represented Sri Lanka in T20 against Pakistan. In Pakistan, he was man of the series over there. Then there is Malinda Sivandana. He can also bowl. He's a very good batsman. And Fernando, if he bats, he is a bowler who can bat a little bit. Then there is Ehsan Ali from Pakistan. He is not expected to play. You can see his record. As RCK, if he plays, his domestic record is good. T Donosan is not expected to play. Then going to bowling session, Kyle Abbott. He has call-back deal with England county cricket. He was consistent wicket taker before that for South Africa, but now he has since 2-3 years he has gone call-back deal, joined call-back deal. He has been a brilliant fast bowler, wicket taking bowler. Mohammad Amir from Pakistan. He is a number 1 bowler from Pakistan, but has not taken that much wicket. Otherwise, he would have been with the side in New Zealand. Then there is S. Lakmal. He used to be a number 1 T20 bowler for Sri Lanka once, but due to injuries and lack of form, but now he has returned good with bang of form in domestic cricket. Then there is Asita Fernando. He's also very good wicket taker, very near to international call up. Then there is Dan Oliver. He is also that from South Africa who has left South Africa and playing for Kolpak Deal. Then there is K. Kabil Raz, young player, cannot. Then Al Sandakan, mystery spinner, wicket taking bowler, can easily take 2 or 3 wickets. Then there is M. Tikshana, who is not expected to play. If he plays, he can bowl 2 to 3 overs. Then Yu Shinwari from Afghanistan. He is also a good all-rounder given in bowling section. Then there is B. Fernando. You can take him. He is also a good all-rounder who bats at 6 down or 5 down. Then there is D. Lakshan. He is also mystery bowler. Then there is D. Tilkaratne, who is also a wicket-taking bowler in domestic circuit. You can see there are 5 because Mohammad M. Siraj is from, I think, Afghanistan. He has also performed there very well. Then N. Thushara. He's a young player. He's not that Thilan Thushara, international player. He's N. Thushara. He's a young sensation. Has been good in domestic circuit in low division cricket. Then there is P. Jayasuriya. He's not expected to play. If he plays, he will bowl 2 to 3 over, good spinner. Then V. Vijaykanth is not expected to play. W. Maqsood, he's from Pakistan, has been taking continuous wicket in Pakistan domestic circuit but hasn't represented Pakistan yet. It's the best time for him to show what he's capable of. Then now talking about captain, vice captain, all-rounders, I have not told. I will tell you about all-rounders. Then there are all-rounders. There is Saeed Afridi, who might miss this game as he joined the team. I think he has not completed his quarantine period. He was late. He missed first flight. Then there is Thisara Perera, number 1 all-rounder in Sri Lankan cricket, can easily score a big and also bowl 3 to 4. Akila Dhananjaya, he has been given in all-rounder section, but he is more of a bowler who has good variation. Then there is D. Guntalika, he will open the inning, can bowl few overs. Then there is D. Silva, you can see he has been good, has been playing longer format mostly, but he will showcase his talent over here. Then there is S. Aishwarya, who is a very good all-rounder, will bat 2 or 3 down. CS Lanka, if he plays, he will bat 3 down, can bowl few overs. Then Chamara Silva, he is a he's not a bowler, he's a batsman, proper batsman, even in all-rounder section. W. Hasaranga, he's a mystery spinner. Sri Lanka have so many mystery spinners. He's a very good leg spinner, can take easily 2 to 3 wickets. Suvan Rinsri, he has represented domestic circuit lower division, not expected to play today. For captain, vice captain, if Saeed Afridi plays, he can be a try. Thisara Perera is a good choice because he will bowl well and bat 3 to 4 down. Then you can go with A. Fernando also. He has been good. Ashita Fernando. Then there is Shoaib Malik. Then S. Jayasuriya will bat 2 to 3 down and also bowl 2 to 3 over of spin. Akhil Dhananjaya, you can be a very good Grand League pick. Then D. Guntalika, who will open the inning. Then A. Fernando, you can try in Grand League because they are hit or miss type player. On this, they can easily give you a good point. Then D. Silva, he has been good in longer format, will showcase his talent in this format also. Now going to Dream 11. So going into Dream 11, in wicketkeeper we have too many good options. Walton, Moose and Bhanuka. If Walton or Moose plays in top order, directly take him in place of M. Bhanuka. I am going with M. Bhanuka. In batting section, I have gone with Ashita Fernando, Express Shoaib Malik and B. Rajpaksha. Depending on where Shoaib Malik plays, you can also go with Jajai or Johnson Charles or M. Sivadana, he will also bowl. I am giving you good option here. Fernando, Jajai, Malik, Rajpaksha, Charles and Sivadana, all are a very good player. In all-rounder section, I am gone with Parirat, De Silva. Both can bowl bats, so as Guntalika will also open. Then you can also go with Saeed Afridi. I have not gone with him. He might miss this game. Then Akhilda, Dhananjaya, Jayasuriya, Hasaranga, all are Grand League picks. All will bat. Dhananjaya is a very good spinner, can pick up good wickets. Then as Jayasuriya, he will bat in the 2 down or 3 down, can pick up wicket. W. Hasaranga, I am going with a leg spinner, has a mystery, has a punt player in my side. Then Lakmal, Mustap and Sandakan, he can also pick up good wickets. For Mohammad Amir, he is not picking wickets. You can easily go with if Kyle Abbott, W. Maqsood, he is a very good pick. I will not say any other, but I am going with Mohammad Amir. Only thing is, I have taken a big risk dropping Jajai. Johnson Charles also can say, but Jajai but it's a must. I want to take that risk. I am going with D. Guntalika because he will open, also bowl some overs. Then vice captain, I am going with A. Fernando. You can easily go with Thisara Pereira. So this will be our side. I have told you each and everything, Grand League, small league picks, each and everything I have told you. So please, I'm telling you, you can change this player in Grand League. From here you can change him and make Swam Ali in Grand League captain, vice captain also. And then you can rotate in from here you can rotate W Hasaranga. And from here you can rotate Mohammad Amir. I've told you about each and everything, each and every detail I've given you. So please install our app. There you will be getting last minute tips after toss lineup. So please and subscribe our channel, and if you want any improvement, please comment that, we'll improve on that also. Thank you very much. Happy winning. Love you a lot.